Commissioner but Secretary Katnar Kakoikakia Usampat Kumar Ulaitu Bahadu Manta Ampadan Kibapang Coronavirus Hamegalaya Hindrewala Kataru Gasorkar Klashim Kia Bantau Kilat Kilinti Banyada Nakaniga Jingpang Kabakloy Bahabanyaben.
Actually, we are in the no cases thing, and but all the preparatory steps need to be taken. So actually, we are getting a good response. In fact, as I said, like a lot of people have notified, and then every day actually we are able to talk to them, how they are, are they showing any symptoms. So their communities are cooperating well. That's like, and deputy commissioners also have been taking very good steps. In fact, the deputy commissioner East Khasi Hills has had a meeting with all the, in fact, headmen, all the Rangbashnams, and so their cooperation has been sought, and we have given trainings to them. In fact, the health officials are giving trainings to the people.
The law Brakang ki school ki college berkiwe ki jakapuli hadu kalak puai terek mentau banai ke sorkar nado ka arpusau terek ukalaling kor kelaburu ki jing terekam babaro kitu ki bawan abari khamtam na China on kit ke ambulance 108 ban pha tes hanigrams ban bakim dai ban mi shabar hadu arpu prasngi nangtai ki bawan ki wei pat ki jalla omsha ban mi shabar hadu khat sau sngi.
You already said all these places of tourism and all should be avoided. So we have.
Yeah. But not exactly tourism side, what about in and around us?
Yeah, one is that we have told the, all the in fact, the hotels to notify if anybody is coming from, especially the foreign countries. They have been asked to notify. So actually, those cases are being monitored and being screened. But actually, there is a system, as I said. There is a system like where, if somebody is actually, staying here, coming and staying in a hotel or anything. In fact, I heard one case yesterday. Somebody has come from Germany or somewhere actually trying to check in a hotel, and hotels are not giving admission. So again, they have to been screened. They have, that person has called 108, and 108 people have sent and screened that person and taken the entire travel history. So that way, that system is there to monitor, but like exact number I can't actually give you now. No, that is where actually in fact we have put in a system. People are actually notifying through that 108. We are actually reaching out to them.
This is a voluntary.
That's correct. That is currently actually, in fact, they are voluntarily notifying it. But we also have a system where actually we get from the airports who are coming from abroad.
Airports.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, Bureau of Immigration, we are getting the data. We are also, through that data also, we are reaching out to them. So two ways. One is voluntarily. Another is we have a system where, who is coming from abroad. If they are coming from the affected places, they also have to notify. This is actually, that's why we require a lot of cooperation from the community. So it's very difficult, for actually to really trace out who is coming from where. So this definitely, that's why your question is right. The community has to cooperate, and they are doing it. Because it's also important for their health too.
Laborui ki jakates hakat lengsuin hadauki bar hadalu. Ulai tu bahado menta dan nyopungot ki belawan pai na bari kintup na China bar kini baro ladaptes bar kimdan yuniu knyang jingpang. Usampar Kumar ula khodrui ke jetre lang ki pajba ban kongo bat bod renti ki jing patha ka sarkar. Ha ke jo ke pola batharu ki hospital bakin bola ki jong ki kamrathia bar ki jakates ki brio ki bayo pang jerho pang shet met ne ki jingpang ki bakta e ke jingring bat jing panhar mesim.
Yeah. So what we have said, in fact, this is something I think we have asked all the hospitals to have a separate OPD for, in fact, respiratory patients. Anybody who is coming with acute respiratory infection, like any cough, cold, fever. So we have asked them to actually have a separate OPD so that they will not be moving through other patients. So that's something that that's been done in various places. All the hospitals are actually taking care of that one. So that's the right point. Actually, in fact, this again, some hospitals are also asking about whenever whenever they come to the hospital, that care also has to be taken. Yeah.
So there are many clinics in Shillong which are essentially these are laboratories which collect human fluids. So those.
So in fact, instructions are given. Everyone has have to follow this entire hand hygiene, every practice. Suppose if they are actually going for a laboratory test, all the enough care has to be taken.